what I wish I knew at every meal? Mint is more than just a garnish. Mint isn't just a fancy leaf on your dessert. It's a digestive dynamo. Feeling bloated? Sip on some peppermint tea to keep your stomach happy. Got the occasional tummy trouble? Mint's soothing properties can help with indigestion and even IBS. But wait, there's more. Need a brain boost? The aroma of mint can sharpen your memory and keep you alert. It's like a mental pick-me-up in a leaf. And for those queasy moments, whether it's morning sickness or motion sickness, mint has got your back. A quick whiff or a cup of mint tea can ease that nausea. Finally, athletes, listen up. Inhaling mint can improve your breathing and make workouts feel easier. Plus, it helps with muscle soreness too. So, next time you see mint, remember, it's not just a garnish. It's your new health hero. Did you know that mint has been a digestive aid for centuries? Yes, this humble herb is packed with powerful compounds that can work wonders for your gut. First up, let's talk about menthol, the natural oil found in mint leaves. This little compound helps relax the muscles in your digestive tract, making it easier for food to pass through smoothly. No more uncomfortable bloating or cramping. Ever had that heavy feeling after a big meal? Chewing on a few mint leaves or sipping on mint tea can stimulate bile flow, helping your body break down fats more efficiently. It's like giving your digestion a gentle nudge in the right direction. And here's a fun fact. Mint can also help prevent gas and flatulence. By reducing the formation of gas in your intestines, mint ensures you feel lighter and more comfortable after eating. But wait, there's more. For those suffering from irritable bowel syndrome, IBS, mint oil capsules have been shown to reduce symptoms like pain, bloating, and irregular bowel movements. It's a natural remedy that's both effective and gentle on your system. So, next time your stomach feels off, remember to reach for mint. It's not just a flavorful herb, it's your digestive system's best friend. Stay tuned for more surprising benefits of this incredible herb. Surprised by mint's digestive benefits? Hold on, because there's more to this incredible herb. Let's dive into the nutritional value of mint and discover why it deserves a spot in your daily diet. First off, mint is loaded with essential vitamins and minerals. Just a handful of mint leaves can provide you with a significant amount of vitamin A, which is crucial for maintaining healthy vision and a strong immune system. But that's not all. Mint is also rich in vitamin C, a powerful antioxidant that helps protect your cells from damage, boost your immune system, and even improve skin health. And let's talk about minerals. Mint contains calcium, which is vital for bone health, and iron, which is essential for producing red blood cells and preventing anemia. It's like nature's multivitamin. But the benefits don't stop there. Mint is also a fantastic source of dietary fiber. This means it can help keep your digestive system running smoothly, regulate blood sugar levels, and even help with weight management. And here's a bonus. Mint has anti-inflammatory properties thanks to its high content of rosmarinic acid. This can help reduce symptoms of allergies and other inflammatory conditions. So whether you're adding it to your meals, brewing it into a tea, or simply chewing on fresh leaves, incorporating mint into your diet can offer a myriad of health benefits. It's truly a nutritional powerhouse that's as versatile as it is beneficial. Stay tuned for even more amazing insights into the world of mint.